Hello everyone, welcome to another Protostar binary exploit. In this video we're going to be attacking Stack2, the third stack problem in the Protostar directory. So let's go ahead and check out the problem for this one. We have Stack2 looks at environment variables and how they can be set, and let's look at the source code. Looks like we still have our modified and buffer. We have another variable here, but this is activated below the buffer, so we won't really have to worry about our exploit if the exploit is the same, because it lies below. So let's check it out. What happens? We have an environment variable greenie here that the program will look at, and it will copy it into a buffer, into the 64-byte buffer, the innocent buffer. Again, our goal is to modify to a specific value here and print whether we got it or not. So as you'll see, the program is basically exactly the same as Stack1. In fact, there's probably not even a need for me to do this exploit, because as long as you know how to create and edit an environment variable, then you will be able to produce the exact same results. All you need to do is just change the details, as in what specific value modified is changed to. So let's go take a look at this. All right. To set an environment variable, we use export. Okay, export, and then greenie, for example. But for this one, we're just going to do a test one, and we're going to say that's equal to hello world. Okay. Now to show what the variable is, we just echo it. Test like that, and we see we have hello world. So we've created the test environment variable, and we've echoed it. So now let's go create the exploit for this. So let's change directories to temp, and let's write a Python command here. Print. We're going to first overflow the buffer by writing 64, and then we have hex bits OA, OD, OA, OD, OA, OD, OA, OD here. And then that goes into some file exploit here, and then we'll see what it looks like. Ooh, and we see we have some new line characters here. And this is actually the same as the 0A, 0D. I believe that's the new line in Linux. Not sure, but pretty sure, because that's what it shows here. So now let's go back to the current directory of Protostar, and then let's export greenie equals, and then we'll use something like this. We're going to use that from temp exploit. Okay, and then let's go ahead and echo greenie to see if we changed it correctly. And indeed, well, it's not exactly the same as what we had up there, but we see there's something funny going on. I'm just going to trust that it worked. So now let's run Stack2, and we have correctly modified the variable. So again, this is a victory for some really basic stack buffer overflow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very simple. This exploit was very basic. And in the next video, I believe we're going to explore something more interesting. We're gonna actually change the program flow, call some functions we're not supposed to call by overflowing a buffer. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in Stack 3.